Brian. I'm back with another video. Back. And today your girl is feeling good. I'm feeling great. Excited, living life. And then I collaborated with this company, EullairHair, and they sent me this bomb freaking wig. Like, life is just amazing right now. But yeah, I did a quick little tutorial on some braids on this curly wig, baby hair slay. And guess what? It's 100% glueless, no glue at all. This Nairobi foam and a little bit of Gorilla Snot. That's it. No glue, no got to be, nothing like that, okay? Just a little spray to hold the edges down, and that's it. Absolutely no glue. You can literally take it off, go to sleep, put it back on in the morning, do you do, okay? But if you like to see how I got this beautiful hairstyle, the baby hair slayed, everything glueless, to continue watching my video, but please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so first what we're gonna do is clean this hairline because my hairline got makeup on it and stuff, and we don't want that all on the lace and everything. So we don't want makeup and stuff all over the lace. So I'm gonna take some alcohol and let's just wipe the hairline and get all that stuff out. You don't want no makeup, no glue, none of that. I'm gonna take some edge control. You can use any of your choice. I use a She Balm because it just slick it back quick. Like, I don't really need much. I just like to slick it back real quick and do my thug thistle, okay? So literally just taking it and just putting it on my hairline like this so I can get ready to brush the hairs to the back. So now take our little edge brush and just brush everything. So guys, I'm gonna leave my sideburns out and you'll see why in a minute. But so now everything is brushed back. So what we're gonna do is take our wig cap and put it back in place. Now you need your makeup because we can't go out with this cap looking like this, okay? So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and tint this cap right here. So I'm just gonna put this shade on my head just like this, tinting it just a little bit. Okay y'all, so y'all know my favorite celebrity. See, basically putting your facial powder on your lace melts. You really don't need a cap if you do this method, but I don't like the wig just sitting on my braid, so I'm gonna do it with the cap on. But literally just putting makeup on your hairline, like the powder. I use the MAC, and this is NC45. So, and put it on your hairline just like this. So you see how it's kind of like fading, you know what I mean? I don't even know how to explain it, but it's like fading my hair. Like my baby hairs look like my skin color, if you get what I'm saying. It's fading it. So I don't know, it does some type of illusion, as you can see. So hey, I like it, and this is just the method I'm gonna do. All right, so now we're gonna take our wig from EullairHair. Look at this bomb curly wig, like look at that. And it's not too long. I like that because normally I do long hair, but I decided to go for something a little different. And I added some braids, y'all. I'm starting to get a little creative. I'm tired of doing the everyday same style. It's time to add some creativity into this, okay? So I just went ahead and added in a couple of braids just to give myself, you know, some extra, you know, just the extra girly look. So this time I'm not gonna put an elastic band in there because y'all, I've been wearing wigs for so long now, and you mean to tell me that this whole time I knew they had adjustable strap, but I never really used it to the point where I just wanted to use it for real as an elastic band, if you get what I'm saying. But it works pretty much the same way. Like, I literally put the tabs, the thingies, all the way on the inside, and it fits really, really snug. I should have been doing this. I don't know, this is the first week I tried it, and I'm gonna try it on another one, and I'm gonna tell y'all how it goes, because I'm just really mad at myself. Like, girl, how did you not know that? And you've been wearing wigs for how long? Y'all, I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and tint my lace on this wig. I'm gonna be taking the Ruby Kisses, and let's see what shade is closest to me. This one that's running low. So literally what you're gonna do is, of course, you're gonna have your brush. Literally tint the lace just like this. Like, you just wanna press into it, tinting it just like that into your color, because this is how the lace is going to blend and melt into your skin. Definitely, because we're not doing glue, we're going to be doing the glueless method, because I'm not a big fan of glue anymore. You know, it's a little, I wouldn't say it's hectic to take glue off. It's just an extra step, and if you're lazy like me, or you just don't feel like working with glue, the glueless is your best friend, trust me, okay? Because y'all, I ain't got the energy no more. I ain't got the energy to be taking that glue off. I just don't. So we gonna do mine. We gonna do ours this way, okay? So I'm still tinting it, just making sure. Like, you see the color between the braids? I'm just making sure everything is good. So now I feel like I got it to the color that I want it to be. So now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put the wig on. Okay, so it's not bad. It fits really, really snug. Like, I did a good job with that part. It fits pretty good. So you guys see why I left my sideburns out? To give it more of a natural look. Back like that, because eventually we're gonna have to put the mousse on it and then blow dry it on hot so that it sticks directly to our head. So, but for now, we're gonna just adjust it to our liking and get ready to go ahead and cut off this lace. So I'm ready to cut off my lace, my handy dandy mirror. So time to cut the lace off. You can use scissors, a razor, whatever you're most comfortable with to cut the lace. I'm gonna use this razor and a pair of scissors. Yeah, it's looking like it's pretty much melting, so that's definitely a plus for me. Y'all know I'm all about the melt. Y'all know me. All right, so I'm just gonna keep going. Okay guys, so this is what I'm getting. So now what I'm gonna do is adjust the wig, pull it up, everything like that, so I can get ready to do my baby hairs. Cause you can't go nowhere without no baby hairs. You just can't go. So I got a little makeup on the hairline. I'm gonna wipe it off again, cause I just don't want all that makeup. Then it's hard to do your baby hairs with all that makeup. It just doesn't lay. It doesn't lay right. Okay guys, so now that I'm ready, I'm gonna start doing the baby hair, pulling them out and things like that. So these are my front baby hairs. I'm gonna do like this really natural baby hair look that I've been seeing floating around the net. I'm gonna try to achieve those baby hairs to the best I can. But just pull out enough. Like, you don't want to pull out too much, but pull out enough. following me and watching my videos, you know I don't always glue my tabs down because my wigs pretty much stay secure, so I really don't have a reason to at all. I'm gonna do the method, but on my sides I'm gonna use the Gorilla Snot because I like the hold that it gives. So I'm about to do the sides first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do this middle part.
You might wanna hear this. I'm so done with you, cause you are such a fool. You wouldn't even know if it was in your face. Boy, you are so good. And I don't wanna deal with this today. You wanted a future, but couldn't handle the present. I don't even wanna bring up the past. That shit was a lesson. And I learned my lesson. I'm tired of stressing. Mama said you were no good, and I was a blessing. See, I had niggas calling from the east side. I even had them calling from the west side. It's so crazy that I had you on my mind all this time. Crazy that I had you on my mind, but now I regret it. I had I regretted it. You wasted like all of my time, and I know I want better. You was so worthless. I hope she was worth it. You can't get me back now. No, you can't get me back. You had me right in my eyes. I don't know why I'm surprised. It wasn't the first time, but it will be the last. Tired of speaking my mind, 'cause you didn't listen every time. I didn't wanna complain, but things weren't the same. You calling my phone now, seeing you wanna fix it. I don't even wanna hear that. I need my distance. You never listen. You were always tripping. I'm so over that. I want a mission, yeah. See, I had niggas calling from the east side. I even had them calling from the west side. It's so crazy that I had you on my mind all this time. Crazy that I
All right, so now the sides are pretty much complete. Now what we're gonna do is do the baby hairs in the front, and we're gonna use mousse.
You can't get me back now, no, you can't get me back. See, I had niggas calling from the east side. I even had them calling from the west side. See, I had niggas calling from the east side. I even had them calling from the west side. It's so crazy that I had you on.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna add some foam and stuff into it just to kind of like tame it a little bit. See, the foam like really tames it and makes it look really, really good. And like the wet look, I love the wet look, so kind of what I'm going for. And you see how easy it is to just comb through it. All right, y'all, so I'm about to take off okay, not bad at all. Not bad for a wig that's not glued down, okay? I told y'all, the glue, you could achieve the same look with no glue. Like, literally no glue at all. You could achieve the same look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I look so cute with this. Like, this is just so cute. This came out really, 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 really cute. It's a quick, simple, and easy hairstyle. Like literally, this hair is from EullairHair. Guys, I'm gonna leave all the details in the description box below. You already know I got y'all, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this short little tutorial. Like, this hairstyle was so easy. It took me like 20 minutes to do it. I did the braids beforehand, as you saw in the video, because it just helped me instead of doing this the whole video. It was just easier to just do it on a wig head and then put it on my head like this. But yeah, this hair is really soft. You guys saw me maneuver with it and put the foam in there, and the curls came right back. Of course, you could add water to it. It was already a little bit damp from when I washed it and everything like that and bleached the knots, but overall it was all good. I have not got any shedding yet. The only shedding I got was when I plucked it, of course, because when you pluck, you know it's gonna shed, so that's normal. But so far so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. On a road to 50K subscribers, guys. If you could please share this video, like it up, comment it up, everything. It will mean so much to me. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.